Welcome back, y'all. This is Nothing But Kitchen. I got my helper with me, Joe, and I am Thang. Today, chicken wings, in fact.
Chicken wing.
We're gonna put them in the air fryer. We're gonna do it at a function of air fryer. It's gonna be at the Fahrenheit of 250. And we're gonna start off with 10 minutes and see what happens. And basically what I did was, I still use foil, which they say you don't have to, but I use foil just to do less of a mess. So I put them in here, spread them all out, and I still sprayed the pan on the foil and spread them all out. And then we're gonna stick them in and see what happens. Gently. And you press. And we're starting.
Yeah. Just need to wait.
Let that go for 10 minutes. I'll come back, check it, see what's going on. If we need to change it, we'll do so. But hey, let's mess around with it. Get us some crispy chicken wings.
You better not say anything. They're never gonna know that mommy's disappeared.
Cool. We're at the 56-second mark. So it should be finishing up soon. We'll open it up, check it out, see what it looks like, see if I need to put a little more time on it, or if I need to flip them or something so we can get both sides even with the crispiness, because I'm focusing on getting crispy chicken this time. I want some crispy wings. Tongs ready, got my tongs, got my apron on. See that? Feeling good from my head to my tomatoes. All right, let's see what it looks like here.
I hope it looks good.
I don't think it's done yet.
Are you kidding me right now?
Leave it open.
Okay.
Okay, I'm touching it. Feels a little crisp, but I think it could go a little longer. See that? I want brown. Look. See that? I want brown.
I know it's supposed to be brown, and stop saying that right now. You'll never know that mommy is making a goof. That
Yeah.
everybody don't tell mommy that's a goofball. I tell everybody that you're a goofball. I told everybody that you're a goofball.
So, I think I'm going to I'm going to bring this up because I had it at 250. So I think I'm going to raise the temperature up to 350. And then the time. I'm going to do it at 10 minutes again at 350, and we'll see what happens. Let's hope I don't burn up my chicken. Okay, now I'm going to check them out and see what they look like. I might need to flip them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna flip them. I need both sides.
Whoa. I run really too fast. I run really too
All right, flip them over. And now I'm gonna cook the other side because it looks like you do gotta flip them, so. I gotta redo it again. Looks like when it goes blank, you gotta reset it.
I love you.
300. Same side, 300 with the same 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, just a few side notes while we're still waiting on it to finish. It's like at 1 minute and 35 seconds. Far as seasoning, I just seasoned my chicken as desired, and I went ahead and added like some barbecue sauce, which I had some sweet and sour barbecue sauce on it. So I went ahead and already put all that on there to where like when it goes into the air fryer, it's cooking everything in there. But I mean, you can do it without the barbecue sauce, you know, just like season your chicken and then do the whole cook in the air fryer and then take it out and, you know, and make, you know, add your sauce or whatever to it, you know, warm it up in a pot and then add some sauce to it and do it that way. So basically, I don't know if it makes a difference or not. Maybe we could try that again. Hey, I'll do another video where I don't add no seasoning and I just do season the chicken and then see what happens to it. But yeah, this is basically what I did, just so you'll have a side note of like, okay, why does her chicken look like that? Well, that's kind of why, because you know, like a lot of times when you add barbecue sauce to stuff and you're trying to cook it, it kind of cooks the skin a little quicker than normal. So just a side note. And we're at the 16-second mark, so it's about to beep, 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 so we can see what we got going on. I'm excited.
Whoa!
All done. Hey now.
Okay.
Hey now. Ooh, check it out. Stop, baby, it's hot. Hang on. Check it out. Can y'all see that? Is it too close? Check that out.
Ooh.
I love it. 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 Let's see if I can touch one with my finger without burning myself. So look, I feel the little crispiness around it, so yeah. But I'm gonna let these cool off, and then I'll come back and kind of break one open so you can see if it's fully cooked inside, because that's the main thing. It is fully cooked on the inside. So, but I love it. I love my color. I love, oh, beautiful. So I'm gonna let them cool off, come back to y'all so we can see what the inside look like.
We got you later.
Okay, I'm back. I set up the camera so that way y'all can get a close-up look on the chicken. And I wanted to do this. I wanted to be able to do this while you're looking at it. So I'm gonna crack open this little wing right here.
I know. How do you open it?
See right here. Up. Can you see? So there it is. Proof is in the pudding. It's all cooked. Looking yummy. I'm dying to try it, so look at that. And see? Mm-hmm. Very good. Let's see. There it is. So you won't doubt me. So it did work. I'll put the full description at the bottom in the box below So you'll have something to reference back to, so you know what to put your wings on and how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like what you seen, subscribe, give me that thumbs up. And just remember, I'm not a chef. I like to cook and eat.
Bye. Ow.
Bye. Bye.
Have a cooking day.
Have a cooking day.